So okay, I'm gonna film this building. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but we're gonna explore it a little bit and we'll see if I can find out. I do have a book. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I do have a book, so maybe in the future, if you're interested, I will try to research more about some of these. I'm just gonna go to the crossroads right across the street right here. So there we go. Travessa do Padre Soares. You got these beautiful, beautiful windows. And a pretty nice view right here too. This is a one-way street, so if anybody comes up, I know right away to get off the street. Let's take a look around a little bit. Beautiful benches. Looks like you can't get in here though. But it looks like they sweep and clean all the time. But something's open. Let's just see what it's all about. So okay. 165. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. It's a little shrine temple that's active. Just so you can kind of get a reference point of where we are. Okay, so this is the front part. Maybe we'll just kind of examine this a little bit. So you have this space in the ground floor, and the ground space is locked in with a fence. So I guess that adds some security. And then the second floor is here, so you have this nice balcony. There's like a door right there as well, so it looks like they closed that one. Nice pillars, goes all the way across like that. And then that's interesting, up there you have the Gia Hill Lighthouse. Then up here you have a balcony as well. This balcony, it looks like there's a table right there. You can see that. And it looks like there's more tables up there, and another balcony, and then another rooftop at the top as well. And it looks like it's definitely in use. So I wish I could zoom in a little bit more. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go around the backside. Let's see if I can do it. That's pretty photogenic right there. It does have that fish lens view, but I kind of like that myself. Okay, we're going to try to go around the backside. Looks like we have some traffic here now. Nice windows. Actually, I have a book by Jason Woody, and he documents quite a few of these buildings and explains their history. So maybe one of these times I might try to do that. Oh, this is great. Okay, Patio de Rochedo. So some nice other buildings back here. Okay. So we're just gonna walk down this little alley. I've never been in this alley before. There's an open window. Huh. Like a big kitchen right there. So yeah, I don't know. I'll just see, so you can see what the space looks like. Like a nice little balcony there too. Okay. Anyways, let's keep on. And at the end of the street, you have a nice little shrine right there. And this right here is a Portuguese embassy. So. And since we're here, I might as well connect this building with the Portuguese embassy. But yeah, this one, there's a really nice balcony, right? Nice little courtyard in the middle. It's been a really beautiful building. I mean, it still is. But it's kind of amazing, like what kind of history some of these buildings have. You know, what it used to be, what it might have been like in the past. It's still used though. I mean, there's open shutters. Let's just go up. The very minimum, we'll show you the let's try to get across here real quick. I'll show you the Portuguese embassy. Okay. So this building is the Portuguese embassy. It's pretty nice building right here too. So what we'll try to do is we'll walk in front of the embassy here. Okay. So here's the Portuguese embassy. This is pretty accessible. And this is this particular building too. So this one is really photogenic as well. I don't know if it comes across as photogenic with this particular view with the sunlight at this particular spot. So just kind of angle up a little bit like this. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, right here, the sun kind of hits it in a better way. And I'm just going to go down a little bit and I'll try to capture it. Okay, there we go. The light is a little bit better right in this spot. And that right there is the Portuguese embassy. Big Portugal flag there. Might be yeah, okay. Huh. Let's just see. Okay. Okay, Portuguese consulate. So you have this nice little thing right there. Really nice building. Portugal flag up on top. And we're just gonna keep on exploring though. We're just gonna walk up to the end and then there's a school. Then we're gonna conclude up here. This building is kind of interesting because there's some pepper lunch now. Pepper lunch kind of is all over the place in Macau suddenly within the last year and a half or so. Conclude there. I could probably explore all kinds of places today, but I'm gonna try to keep it limited. We're gonna sneak back through here. See. And this one is a pretty good building too right there. Okay, we can conclude. That's a really nice shot. Let's walk down a little bit and just kind of keep that spot. And then I'm going to conclude in a minute. Just kind of show you some of the buildings in this space.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.